Dear friends, today I am going to talk some facts and myths regarding cataract and cataract surgery. Some people came to ask why he has developed cataract. His uncle or auntie didn't develop that. So we have to explain it to them. So why cataract develops? Cataract develops because of our age process. In mostly, I'm talking about senile cataract or age-related cataract. Age-related cataract develops after a certain age. It can develop in some patients at 50 years of age, in some patients 60 years of age, or in some patients at 80 years of age. So there's nothing to go for a reason for cataract at this age, because it can be a normal age-related cataract in most of the cases. And another point I faced from the patients asking, after how many days he will be in a normal life. Some ask that he has seen his grandfather or father, mother waiting for 1.5 months in the room itself without taking bath and all those things. But friends, nowadays it's not that. With the advent of modern technologies like phaco and surgery under topical anesthesia, it has come down to 5 to 7 days. Yes, you can go to a very normal life within 5 to 7 days after your surgery, as we do the surgeries without a bigger incision and with a topical anesthesia. So nothing to get fearful about cataract or cataract surgery. It's safer nowadays, it's predictable, and you will get a younger life after you have gone through their surgery. So don't worry, go to your surgeon if you have developed cataract and get rid of your worst vision. Thank you.